My brother, I tell you, say the thing where Nigeria don't get into, I think it's even worse than Afghanistan. And it be like say the government where they on top, they also be part of the thing where they happen to us because they know they talk. And I keep saying, look, if government show say it get power to stop Igboho and stop Nnamdi Kanu, why government no get power to stop bandits where they say they kill us here? And they don't come and go and talk, say, now this government bring them in 2015, say make them come help them do election. After election, they don't abandon them. So they look for money where they go chop and continue with their life. Our current leaders where they for Aso Rock, for presidency, they get hand into it. We get problem for Nigeria. And as long as our people keep quiet, I tell you, say, one day, they say this unknown government will be Fulani bandits. They go come take over villa. They go come take over government house. They go come take over every place. Bow and arrow, not be offense for our constitution. But AK-47, AK-49, and machine gun and all those ones are things. But the thing where they ask, they say, iPod, they were using pump action. They go catch them. Those one too, government no say make them do them, but they go catch them. But why is the thing they say Fulani men they use AK-47, they use AK-49, they use machine gun, they use explosives, and they no fit catch them. They see allow them. Then they go kidnap our children, then they go kidnap our people, then they go do all kind of atrocity, but they leave them. I don't talk to Mr. President, say, make he declare these people as he did to iPod, say they be terrorists. The man no gree do. President too, he carried the same oath of office, say he go defend all Nigerian people. But the thing where President they do now, they defend only Fulani people. They are just killing us. As I talk to you, they continue to kill us. And President know where these people dey. They go say they are unknown government. One day there will be unknown president and unknown governor, unknown minister, unknown this. This is where the country they go. And Fulani people don't talk, say, look, they want they won't carry this country, make it become their own. Make them come and say, they Fulani too. Now then get Nigeria. But he can brand iPod, say they be terrorists. He can stop Igboho from the southwest. Why he not do the same thing where they do? Now my evidence be that the president is part of the thing. They do the thing. He sabi the thing. Why president they only give appointment to Fulani people? People will be prominent Hausa. They don't tell me, say, look, my brother, this is way they do. You're fighting for us too. What did they go invite them to do? When Gumi talk, did they invite him? When other people will talk, did they invite them? It is the thing don't they clear, say, this government, it no mean well for this country. If you accept to be their slave, even me, if I accept that I will be their slave, they will give me appointment. They give my people appointment. The press handler or Mr. President, the man that lie they talk now. I think that him they will give him name saying Alai Mohammed. Make it a lie, waka anyhow. You not see the thing where the man talk. He say they don't give him 6 billion. The governor there don't deny, say he don't get any 6 billion. So that man, I suspect, say he dey on something where we don't sabi. They see allow them. They go kidnap our children. They go kidnap our people. They go do all kind of atrocities. They leave them. I don't talk to Mr. President, say,